Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Spirit Airlines, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Spirit Airlines. Press the enter key to navigate to the page. Once on the Spirit Airlines homepage, locate the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login option to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Make sure your password is entered correctly to avoid errors. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as your credentials are processed. If your information is correct, you will be logged into your account. In case of an error, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If issues persist, consider contacting Spirit Airlines customer support for assistance. Now you're ready to manage your bookings and access your account features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.